How to install Hamster Kombat application. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallet by clicking the link in the description below. So first of all, what you need to do is to simply open up your App Store or Play Store and simply search for Telegram Messenger. Now you just need to open it up and make sure to sign up with your mobile number. It's pretty much straightforward process. You just need to enter a verification code that you receive on your mobile number and you will be able to sign up for Telegram. Now once you are in, you're just gonna need to click on the search icon and search for Hamster Kombat. Now once you search for the Hamster Kombat, you're just gonna need to go for the official version, which is going to be this hamster/combat/bot. So you just need to make sure to go for this one and then click on the play button. Now then you're just gonna need to open it up and start playing your game. Then you can simply just like so. So that's a way of how you can install Hamster Kombat application.